Anong gov?
Fuck, I need to find some
Forums?
I can't catch them kasi I'm fucking working. What the fuck?
Ano yun, forums?
Hindi,
There's
yung Gov.
forums? What gov, bro?
Yung organization, yung Gov.
Eh, paano ako makakapunta sa government eh? Wala nga akong nakikita dito. Sasakyan, wala nga.
Forums directly sa yung mag-create ka ng ticket.
Oh, wait.
Yes,
It's like what this guy did, right? Wait, let me show you. It's like what this guy did, right? This one.
teka. Somebody's behind me.
I can press this, yeah, I can open it. I can open this, stuff like that. But I can't see the map, bro. I uninstall everything. I remove my Redux. I remove my Reshade. I uninstall my game and then reinstall it, even the Grand RP. But it's still like this, no?
Teka,
I even tried to contact the administrator, look, but I don't think they can see it.
Hindi, yung sa forums mismo ng website.
Anong
Yung
website?
ka.
Hindi,
Create a
nag-record
ticket.
lang ako.